Design Studios, take one, how to tie a buckle.
So you take the sash, fold it in corners, stick it through one side of the buckle, then through the other side. Then take the other side of the sash, fold it in quarters again. Go through the opposite side that you started with. Go through, then through the other side. Then you go to the chair and you pull the sides until they're even.
Okay. So, you're changing venues.
And that's one way to do it.
Okay.
The other way, it's the same way. You can just pull it,
Slide
and that's
around
how it
that.
looks. So there's two ways. Make sure
Very
you
nice.
fold the sash, and don't just shove it through or it's going to get snagged and it's not going to work.
Fantastic.
That's it.